This is the ARW-8852 sound level meter from RV Monsieur. The instrument is housed inside an ABS carrying case where we find the sound level meter, a USB cable for computer connection, a screwdriver, a power adapter for direct connection to the mains. The instrument operates with alkaline batteries, a small tripod that allows for stable positioning, and the battery. To complete the kit, we have the software CD and the user manual. The ARW-8852 model is a Class 2 instantaneous sound level meter, built according to IEC 651 standards. Now we are going to look at some of the functions offered by this instrument. Let's illustrate the functions and the keypad of the ARW-8852 sound level meter from RV Monsieur. Let's turn on the instrument. The instrument is equipped with a large display where the main line shows us the real-time value. The top line displays the date and time, and there is also a graphic bar that shows us the measurement dynamics. Let's take a look at the functions of the keypad. Below the display, we have three buttons. The rec button for recording, which we will see later, the setup button, and the button to turn the display backlight on and off. Below that, we have the fast and LO buttons. Basically, this is for selecting the weighting. Fast means acquisition in 125 milliseconds. Slow means a slow acquisition in 1 second. This frequency weighting is regulated by the IEC 651 standard for instantaneous sound level meters. In the central part of the keypad, we have four buttons. We have the button for selecting the weighting, so dBA, dBc, which corresponds to the human ear's weighting response. The dBc weighting scale is generally used for capturing peak sound level measurements. The hold button is designed for freezing the current reading on the display. Additionally, the level button allows us to manually select the measurement range for your environment. In this case, it is 50/100. In the auto range setting, we can select ranges from 30 to 130 decibels. Alternatively, we can manually choose from 30 to 80, 50 to 100, or 80 to 130. By returning to the auto range function, we utilize the full extended range from 30 to 130 decibels. The max and min function allows us to activate these two specific measurement modes. The max mode, which is clearly indicated by the icon at the top of the screen, lets us display only the maximum noise level detected. Consequently, the display will only update when the device acquires a decibel value that is significantly higher than the one currently shown on the screen. In the minimum function, on the other hand, the instrument will update the display only when it acquires a lower value in decibels. Pressing it again exits the function and returns to the instant measurement mode. Now let's look at the setup function. By holding down the setup button while turning on the instrument, we access the setup function for date and time. With the level button, we can set the parameters. With the setup button, we scroll through the various parameters related to date, day, and time. After you have configured all of the necessary parameters, you can then exit the settings menu, thereby completing the configuration process. By simply pressing the hold button, we will exit and return back to the measurement function. The last function we are going to illustrate is the recording function. By holding down the backlight button when turning on the device, the display will show the word INT for integration, along with a value indicated at the top. In this case, it is 1 second. Then we have the possibility to proceed using the level button. We have the possibility to set this integration time or sample rate, acquisition time, on which, in recording mode, each data point will be saved. In this case, it is set to 2 seconds, so a data point will be saved every 2 seconds. First, we can manually set it to the specific desired value and then simply press the old button to confirm our selection. Once the integration time has been successfully set, by pressing the rec button, we can officially start recording the data. In this particular case, we had previously set it to a duration of 3 seconds, so a new data point will be automatically saved every 3 seconds throughout the process. To stop the recording, simply press the rec button again. The rec symbol will disappear and the recording will be automatically saved to memory. These recordings are saved in the instrument's memory, and using the provided software and USB cable, we can transfer them directly to a computer. Now we are going to take a look at this very feature.